Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to run your HTML file in VS Code. In order to do that, I have opened VS Code obviously, and now I'm gonna create a simple HTML file, creating this, naming index.html, simply like that. Creating our boilerplate by exclamation mark and tab key, and we have created our boilerplate, creating a header one and saying hello world. These are the usual stuff. Pressing save. Okay, now how we can run this file inside in default browser using VS Code. Now we're coming to extensions section, and from the search bar simply typing open in browser. As you can see, we have here this browser extension downloaded 10,400,000 times. It's a 3.5 star extension. Clicking this and we're installing simply, and we have installed it. Closing this, going back to Explorer section of VS Code and simply coming to index.html file and clicking right. And as you can see now, we have two options: open in default browser and open in other browsers. I will select now open in default browser, which VS Code uses as default in settings. Open this. And now, as you can see, we have the boilerplate created in VS Code Explorer section, and we've written hello world. Putting to the side, let's write something also, to see if it's working properly. I'm creating the p tag, saying this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph. Pressing save, and voila, as you can see, everything working fine. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.